A very good morning to all of you, my dear students. Welcome back to the class once again. And we are discussing the chapter Panchayati Raj. We have discussed about the Gram Sabha. We have discussed about the Panchayat, Gram Panchayat, the Ward Panch, Sarpanch. We have done all the things we have discussed. Now, what we have to do, we have to discuss the functions of the Panchayat. Now, let us see the first function of the Panchayat. What do they used to do? Construction and maintenance of village roads, wells, tube wells, bridges, school buildings, drainage, and other public services. What they used to do, they used to discuss about all these things in the Gram Sabha as well. And they used to take the decision or take the thinking of the other people, also take their opinions as well, that whether the roads are to be constructed, where it should be constructed, whether there is a need of bridge, whether there is need of another school building or the tube wells. They used to discuss all these things in the Gram Sabha. And then these panchayat people, means the ward punch, you can see the ward punch and the sarpanch, they used to finalize the budget as well, and then the works goes on. Another function, you can see that a plantation of trees as well. Yes, that is the most important thing for our life, because trees are the source of oxygen as well as the primary source of all food are trees. You must be knowing this about the food chain. And the trees are the primary sources of food. So they used to think about, plan about the plantation of trees as well. That is another function of the Gram Panchayat. And this, you can see provision of sanitation and clean drinking water. You must be knowing, and you must have heard about the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and even the government is asking you to create one bathroom and a washroom inside your home. Don't go in the open. You might have seen one movie also from Akshay Kumar, he has showed that what is the real need of the sanitation. I don't remember the name of that movie, but I have seen that one. And that was a really good one, showing the people the real need of, well, someone has given me, I think, the name of the toilet. Yes, the name of the movie was Toilet. So yes, so Ayush Ranjan, thank you, Ayush. So provision of situation and clean drinking, sanitation as well as clean drinking water is another function of the panchayat. They used to do that, Yeah, Mavis is saying the full name Toilet Ek Prem Katha. That was the movie. So I'm not talking about the Prem Katha. I'm talking about the sanitation. Okay. So sanitation was the real topic of that movie, major topic. So even clean drinking water, providing of clean drinking water to the people, that is another function of the panchayat. These ward punch and the sarpanch, they move up to the DM. They can request up to the CM as well, chief minister of that particular state also, and ask them to provide clean drinking water. They will ask them to provide money, or you can say financial help, so that they can they can sink tube wells, hand pumps, or wells. They can have such type of things, so that people can get drinking water. Even the maintaining of records of birth and death, we used to have a municipal corporation in big cities, and municipalities in towns, but in you can see, even in the villages, these municipal corporations and municipalities are not available there. They are not there. But the function of the panchayat over here is another thing, that they will have to record the death and the birth of the people of their villages. You can we already know that there is a panchayat sevak who can maintain this record as well. Arrangement for street lights and those at public places, and arrangement for street lights as well in the streets and in the public places as well. Public places means where the people used to gather together to have some function, to have some discussion, where they used to have some gram sabha meetings. So at those places also, the street lights or the lights are essential. So the function of the Gram Panchayat is also regarding this, that they will have to arrange for the street lights at the proper places in the proper streets, as well as the public places also. One more thing that is quite important regarding financial is what? Levying. Levying means charging and collecting local taxes. So they can collect or they can charge local taxes also, है ना? For the welfare of the village, for the development of the village, they can collect local taxes. From house to house, they used to collect taxes in the name of what? For the welfare of that particular village. They may charge 20 rupees per house, per family, or 50 rupees per family per month, for the welfare of the village, for the construction of the roads, for the construction of the park, playing grounds for the students or for the children, for the schools also. So they can collect these small taxes also. That is also one of the function of the panchayat. One other thing you can see, assisting means helping. Assisting means helping the government officials in implementation of rural schemes, like means the government time and time again they used to start many schemes for the villagers, for their welfare, for their goodness, you know. So the panchayat will help the government officials, the government people, those who will come to the village to implement that particular scheme which are available for the villagers. So the panchayat sevak as well as this ward punch and the sarpanch, they will all have to assist, means help the government officials. And let us go through few of the schemes. Poverty alleviation measures and generation of additional employment, है ना? So they will try to remove the poverty. Poverty means गरीबी हटाने के लिए क्या क्या करना चाहिए, है ना, village में. So that might be the one of the scheme of the government, है ना, to know how can they can really remove poverty from the village. And even they can do that generation of additional employment also. So if many people are unemployed in the village, you know, they are not getting employment, then also government launch many schemes for those people also to create employment. Okay, that is the thing over here. That is another function of the panchayat committee, those who are in the village. Okay. Next function is, you can see, helping the police officials, tehsildars and patwaris in their work. So the panchayat will have to help these people, police officials. Okay, tehsildars, those who used to have they collect, not collecting the tax. Actually, patwaris, they used to have the record of the lands, the people which are they having, which how many people are having, which land is whose land. So land records are done by the patwaris. Tehsildars, they used to collect taxes, and police officials also. So panchayat will have to help. That is another function of the panchayat. They will have to help the police official. If there is an inquiry in the village, then panchayat sevak, ward members and the sarpanch, they all will have to help the police in the inquiry of particular thing. Suppose there is a criminal activity in the village, then who will help the police? So this panchayat will help the police to inquire in a better way. Even the panchayat will have to supervise the work of chowkidars. Chowkidars means guards, and patwaris, and even vaccinators यानी कि जो जगह को खाली करते हैं, vaccinators. और खास करके the real meaning over here is that when government launch many schemes for vaccination, है ना, to the small child, like polio. And nowadays if we will get the vaccination of coronavirus, then this vaccination will reach to the village as well, and the people will have to get vaccinated. So injection, that I'm talking about, the injection or the vaccination, you know. So panchayat will help. The panchayat will help the vaccinators, those who will come from the government side, those doctors or the nurses, those who will come to the village. The panchayat will help those people also. The panchayat will also supervise the work of chowkidars and patwaris, patwaris who have the record of the lands. So panchayat will help them also, supervise them how to do their work. They will guide them. Again, then you can see supervision of primary schools also. Primary schools are there in the schools and in the villages, and we can see there is a image also, a village school. So panchayat will also supervise the primary schools. They will supervise the Anganwadi workers also. Government has started this Anganwadi function also, where children can go and study, and where the girl child, or especially the girls, can learn different skills like sewing and cooking, and different things they can learn by going to the Anganwadi. So government has employed permanent teachers also there in Anganwadis, and maybe many of your parents may be working in Anganwadi also. Many of them are working. Even adult education, that is quite important, my dear students. Means as you are all in class 6 nowadays, you will grow up, go to 7, go to class 8, then you will have to learn many things about the many changes that is going on in your bodies, in the parts of your body. Many changes will go on. Your hands will grow up, your eyes will grow, your legs will grow up, every part of your body will grow up, and you will feel some changes in your body. So about that changes, you must be educated that what to do. You don't have to scare, aapko darna nahi hai. So you must learn about that. So the function of the panchayat is also, they will supervise the adult education. That if you are becoming adult, if you are growing up to 12 years, 13 years, and you are the teenagers, you are growing up to 18 years, then you must learn about the adult AC. So that is also the supervising of the पंचायत. सुपरविजन ऑफ विलेज फेयर्स, है ना, गांव में मेला वगैरह भी लगते हैं, सो विलेज फेयर में भी सुपरवाइज करते हैं फंक्शंस ऑफ द पंचायत इज दैट आल्सो. एंड इवन इन मार्केट्स, है ना. Yeah, someone is asking me Anganwadi. Okay, I will let you know. Let us get in detail about Anganwadi. Anganwadi is a small place, that is a small place that is guided by the government, where the students can go, the girl child, boy child, they can go to learn there also in Anganwadis. And government used to hire or employ government employees there. Okay, let me search there in better way so that you can get information. Anganwadi, you can see over here in Wikipedia, it is quite given, and there are images also. Anganwadi is a type of rural child care center in India. Rural means what? That is, you will find in the villages, that is child care center. Small kids are there. You can see small kids, and primary, nursery kids will go there and learn. They were started by the Indian government in the year 1975 as part of the integrated child development services. Okay, so government want to develop the child, integrate the child development services, which was started by Indian government in the year 1975. For what? To combat child hunger. बच्चों को भूख लगता है, मेल न्यूट्रिशन की कमी होती है बच्चों को. तो इन सब चीजों से बच्चों को बचाने के लिए द गवर्नमेंट हैज स्टार्टेड दिस आंगनवाड़ी स्कीम. सो यू कैन सी these are the ladies who are there in the picture. They are known as Anganwadi workers, and they are employed by the government. They used to get salary. So they used to, you can see, and that is nursery school like that. It is Anganwadis means courtyard shelter for the students, for the kids. In other Indian language, in Hindi, you can say courtyard shelter. Okay, Anganwadi. Now, hope you all understand with this Anganwadi scheme of the government. Supervision means guiding. Supervision means what? Guiding the people to how to do, and where is really the need of vaccinators, where is the need of chowkidars, where is the need of patwaris in the village, and who should be vaccinated, and how should be vaccinated. Suppose 5 nurses from government has reached to the village, and how would they know that whom should I vaccinate first? So panchayat people will come and they will ask the citizen or the people of the village to make a line to come in queue and get vaccinated. So all these supervising or guiding will be done by the panchayat only. Even they will have to supervise fairs, ना गांव में मेला वगैरह लगता है, markets होते हैं, they will have to supervise that also, that nothing goes wrong in the village. Okay.